What's up everybody, I'm in Silverleaf here in St. Johns County, Florida. If you're looking for one of the more popular models by Richmond American Homes at Silver Landing, I'm here in Elm Creek and you want to see this model. Check it out. This is the Agate model here in Elm Creek at Silverleaf, a master plan community here in St. Johns County. That's correct, it's called the Agate. Agate, I looked it up, is actually a precious stone that symbolizes bright ideas and positive thinking. So I thought I'd let you know that since they have such a strange name for a model home, it actually has a cool meaning. So as we enter the Agate, you'll notice it has a huge hallway right as you come in. It makes it feel really nice and spacious. This house is just under 2,100 square feet and is sold mostly as a 4-bedroom and 3-bath. And I say mostly because I'll show you today the model only has 3 bedrooms, but most people would build this as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. And I'll tell you where that 4th bedroom is. That was bedroom number 1. You have a bathroom in between 1 and 2, bedroom number 2. It's a shower tub combo with those killer gray cabinetry. Luxury vinyl flooring. This is bedroom number 2. Now if you watched my other tour on the beach model by Richmond American Homes, this is a big step up, about 500-600 square feet. And right now, as I'm filming this in the market, this is just over $500,000. It's got a lot of value for St. Johns County again, as of filming this today. In this crazy market, prices are fluctuating. So this is kind of like a key drop area across from the garage door. It's a 2-car garage. In this room in the model, they have it as a office den, which you can do, but most people like to make this 4th bedroom. And in the right corner there is where it has its own bathroom. So this would make for a great guest bedroom, if you will, because they're kind of out of the way and they have their own bathroom. Now across from this office den area or bedroom, if you choose to have it as a bedroom, is your laundry room. And then a nice coat closet. I love the thoughtfulness of having a coat closet, utility closet if you will, especially near the laundry room. It's very handy. And this door is to the AC. The Agate model has quite a big open floor plan. You have your kitchen here to the left with a nice size island with plenty of leg room, gas stove, if you love entertaining, you can be preparing meals in the kitchen and still be part of the action. You got a nice sized dining area with plenty of windows, lots of natural light. Love those sliders. And then nice little pantry here. And again, I love having a window in the kitchen. Again, adds that extra natural light, makes it feel so spacious These are cool pendant lights. I don't know what you think, but I kind of like them. Gives a modern touch. So again, like Richmond American does, they always have that nice big linen closet outside the primary. If you watch my other tours of Richmond American homes, you'll see that. And then here is your primary. And I always have to mention every video, if you didn't watch the last tour, it's a great idea to have those windows on either side of the bed there. Again, adds more natural light and makes your room feel so much more spacious. And then here is your primary bath. Double vanity, cool gray cabinetry. Your WC to the right. Nice shower. And then good size primary closet. It goes a little bit around the corner here. Closet space important. That's why I spend so much time walking in them and actually giving you a feel for how big it is. So that's the primary. As you exit the primary, let's go take a look at the back of the home. Again, I love these agates because just like a lot of the Richmond American homes have nice size outdoor areas that are screened in, because in Northeast Florida we get a lot of bugs during the summer, and so that's why you're gonna appreciate that screened in patio. And again, out here just plenty of living space, and that's why we live in Florida, so we can enjoy it. I'll give you a back view of the house here in Silverleaf. Silverleaf's a master plan community, but they do not have CDD fees. They do have HOA fees, but they are very reasonable considering the amenities here at Silverleaf. But this is the back end of the home. If you wanted to extend this and put a pool, oh man, it would be gorgeous with these sliders. I can tell why this is such a popular build here in Elm Creek so far. There's a lot you can do with it. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please hit like button, subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And press the alert buttons for future tours. And again, I'm Greg DeTullio, Give Back Realty. If you're ever in Jacksonville and you have any questions, it costs you nothing to have an advocate on your behalf, especially if you're building a new construction home. Give me a call. I'd love to be your real estate professional choice. And again, stick around for my next tour here in Elm Creek at Silverleaf.